There are vacations, and then there are experiences that stick with you for a lifetime. The kind that rearranges your perspective, challenges you, thrills you, or simply reminds you what it means to be alive. These aren't just trips, they're stories you'll tell forever. So today, we're diving into the most unforgettable, life-changing bucket list experiences from around the world. Let's find your next great adventure. First up, imagine watching the sunrise from the summit of Mount Kilimanjaro. After days of trekking through rainforests, alpine deserts, and lunar landscapes, you reach Uhuru Peak just as the horizon starts to glow. At 19,341 feet, it's the roof of Africa, and standing there, exhausted and exhilarated, you feel like you can do anything. It's not easy, but that's the point. It's a triumph you'll carry with you forever. Now picture yourself swimming with humpback whales in Tonga. These gentle giants migrate through the warm South Pacific each year, and you can actually get in the water with them. Floating next to a creature the size of a bus while it sings underwater is humbling, beautiful, and surprisingly emotional. It's not just wildlife watching, it's connection on a whole different level. Then there's the Northern Lights. Seeing them on a screen is cool, but standing under a sky pulsing with greens and purples is something else entirely. Whether you're in Lapland, Iceland, or northern Canada, the moment they appear is pure magic. You suddenly realize how small you are, and how big the universe is. Another powerful experience? Hiking to Machu Picchu through the Andes. You can take the train, but walking the Inca Trail is where the transformation happens. You move through clouds, ancient ruins, and deep history, all building up to that first glimpse of the lost city at sunrise. It's not just a photo op, it's a pilgrimage. Or maybe your bucket list includes giving back. Volunteering abroad. Whether it's wildlife conservation in South Africa or helping rebuild communities in Nepal, has a way of grounding you. It pulls you out of your routine and puts you face to face with real people, real stories, and real impact. Then there's sailing the Galapagos Islands. It's like stepping into nature's original laboratory. Sea lions nap on benches, blue-footed boobies dance in courtship rituals, and giant tortoises roam freely. Everything about it feels untouched, like you're seeing the planet before humans got involved. It's a reminder of what's worth protecting. Speaking of unforgettable, have you ever considered hot air ballooning over Cappadocia, Turkey? As hundreds of colorful balloons rise over surreal, rocky landscapes at dawn, you float above fairy chimneys and ancient cave dwellings. There's a stillness up there that's hard to describe, like time has hit pause just for you. In Japan, attending a traditional tea ceremony or staying overnight in a temple can shift your sense of time and meaning. You learn to appreciate the ritual in the ordinary. You slow down, listen, and find peace in simplicity. Sometimes the most life-changing experiences are the quietest ones. Or go full adrenaline in New Zealand. Bungee jump off the Kawarau Bridge, skydive over Lake Taupo, or raft through glowworm-lit caves. The thrill isn't just in the freefall, it's in pushing past fear and feeling completely alive on the other side. Maybe it's a solo trip to a country where you don't speak the language. The moments of confusion, surprise, and discovery will teach you more than any guidebook ever could. You'll make friends where you least expect it, and find confidence you didn't know you had. Life-changing doesn't always mean expensive or far away. It means meaningful. It means stepping outside your comfort zone, into something that makes your heart race, your eyes widen, and your soul wake up. Which of these bucket list experiences are you adding to your list? Or have you already had a travel moment that changed your life? Tell us in the comments. We love hearing your stories. If this video gave you some inspiration, hit that like button. And for more travel ideas, tips, and epic adventures, subscribe to the channel and tap the bell so you never miss out. Life is short, make it extraordinary.